This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today we have a traditional, delicious recipe for you. This is the red braised pork belly. So this is my version, so you can serve it like this. But I'm going to serve this in a clay pot with some ginger and green onions. So I'm going to take it one step further. So this piece of pork belly is 1.5 pounds. So we're going to cut it in half and we're going to put it in the boiling water.
Boil the pork belly for about 10 minutes just to get rid of some of the impurities. And then rinse in cold water.
And I'm just going to cut the pieces about a little over 1/2 inch thick, I guess. So make sure you tuck in your fingers when you cut the pork belly. So I preheat a pan at medium heat. Put about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. So I'll put on the heat on high now. I'll be putting in the sliced pork belly just to give the meat a good sear. Transfer the pork belly into a pot.
Add 2 cups of water. Now we're ready to add the ingredients to bring out the flavor in the pork belly.
I have some dark soy sauce.
Put in 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce.
I'm going to put about a teaspoon of sesame oil. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, or you can use regular white sugar. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of rock sugar. So rock sugar will give a little more complex sweetness to it. Now I'm going to add 2 star anise.
Cover with a lid and simmer for 30 minutes at low heat.
I've got the pan going at medium heat. I'm going to put a tablespoon of cooking oil in there. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of brown sugar.
Rock sugar, which is cane sugar, works really well for this dish. Otherwise, use more brown sugar.
Got a tablespoon of rock sugar.
Add a 1/2 cup or more of the flavor infused liquid that you boiled the pork belly in.
So I'm going to transfer all the pork over. So it's going pretty good now, so I'm just going to cover it with a lid. So let's check on the pork belly. A little bit on the sweet side, so I'm going to hit it with some Himalaya salt. This is the Himalayan pink salt. So now it's more like a syrup. So it's quite tender already. So when I put it in the clay pot later, it's going to bring out the flavor even more. This is the red braised pork belly. So this is my version, so you can serve it like this. But I'm going to serve this in a clay pot with some ginger and green onions. So I'm going to take it one step further.
Here I have my Chinese clay pot. So put a little bit of that liquid into the clay pot. Add some ginger and green onions. Set the heating element at medium heat. Then bring the liquid to a boil for about 5 minutes. Add the pork belly in and cover with a lid. Steam for about 15 to 20 minutes. The steaming action will bring out the flavor and the tenderness of the pork belly. Here I have my Japanese clay pot. It works the same way. So put some of that flavor-infused liquid into the clay pot. Add the ginger and the stalks of green onion. Once again, set the heating element at medium heat and bring the liquid to a boil for about 5 minutes. the extra step using the clay pot is really well worth it because you're going to have a delicious, tasty dish.
Lucy, you guys just help yourself.
There you have it. Red braised pork belly. Enjoy. Thanks for checking out my video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. And also be sure to subscribe for new videos. And also like to thank my viewers for helping me win the top 20 best Chinese food blogs in the world. And I was also awarded the top 40 China YouTube channels in the world. So you're going to get some sizzle along with the aroma and the taste.